Right then, welcome to another Biker's Travelog here on RevelatorAlf. So, I'm in search of more ruins. Yeah, so I've found them quite a few recently on my travels. But here, I'm heading out to a place called Arborfield in South Berkshire, and there are the ruins of a church. But you can't really see it on satellite imaging. It didn't seem to be an access road, so I'm going to go and have a look for it and see what I find. This may or may not work. Bear with me. Alright, so this is towards Arborfield Church. Now that's the newer church. I don't know how old that church is exactly. Okay, so there is road here. I don't think, I'm not sure. I've gone to the wrong place. Right, so you can't get to that point, can you? Alright, so I wonder if... Yeah, you have to get here. Right, okay, here I am. Right, it's about as far as I can go. I've just had to go and try other access points. It's all blocked off, it's all private road, so this is a footpath. End of the bike, on foot now. Let's go and see if I can find these church ruins. Right then, okay, so got off the bike and they're going to be heading down the trail. Down there, they've blocked it off basically, so only access is on foot down that way. Let's go give it a go. Right, still walking, still a long way to go. Beautiful walk though, very nice. I suppose you could call this the long walk. Right, so reached the end of the trail here, and it looks as if I found the remains of the old church right here. So let me just spin this around. Right entrance there, the graves there as well, and there's the actual old church itself. Have a look. Yeah, you can see the building through there. That's it. Arborfield churchyard remains. This is the site of the original Arborfield church. The yard contains graves and headstones that have lain here for many years. Please protect the site and beware of uneven ground, trip and overhead hazards. Right. I wonder if it's just out of bounds full stop actually. So this is the place that I've wanted to visit in a long time. I could never figure out how to get here by bike. So obviously today I had to just ditch the bike, come on on foot. Okay, oh look, there's an access gate here. I'll get onto the site this way. There's public access then, which is good. Wow. Go and have a look. Yeah, there's no entry. There's a couple of old tombs here as well. Oh my god. The church here. The entrance to the old church. It's very small, isn't it? Wow. Yeah, It's more like just a little chapel really than an actual church. Ah, no. Okay, so that'd be one part of it, but here's the other part here. I can see. Still old headstones and graves. I mean, you know, still people buried here. Well, I actually don't know that much about the site itself. I know it was decommissioned, if you like, in place of the newer church. Don't know how old it is. I mean, it looks, you know, we're talking, judging by the stonework and the brickwork here, because there's some very similar stonework and brickwork. I think this is about 1700s, 16, 1700s, purely based upon what I've seen in another ruins church, exactly the same kind of construction with stone and mortar. Wow, look, see the, we'll just come through here. So this would be part of the church all around there, and obviously all the walls have gone. Here's the walls here, if I can show you. Look, here's the church there, church wall there, there. That'll be like either the entrance or the vestry. So the wall here, right here, and then church extends all the way. So this would be the whole church itself. So actually, I'm saying that it's actually quite a big church, really. Parish church, village church. There we go. And I think the graves are still here. Actually, let's see if they've got any dates on these graves. That might give us an idea of. So, memory of Church of Town, technical on 35th. 24th of October. I can't see what that is. Is that 1556? Or Thursday? (1858), I think that says there. You can see it's either a 3 or an 8. Let me try and look at some others. Problem is they've all been eroded, haven't they? So, wow. There we go. Let's have a look here. 1824. Okay, so this grave is 1824. So you got to think that it's possibly the turn of the century. That's where it's decommissioned, and then, but you've got to wonder how long, the church has been here before then. I don't know. I'm not a historian, but I think good 1700s is a good shout actually for these. Yeah, 1858 here is another gravestone. 1807 here, 1812 these. There we go, look, 1789. Yeah, let me just show you this one. Here we go, look, 1789. So, I wasn't that far off in terms of dating it. Right, well, so this is the Biker's Travelog. Hope you enjoyed it. It's something different. As I say, I found this on an ordnance survey map a while ago. I've been just trying to figure out how to get here. So I eventually decided just to ditch the bike and come on foot. And well, it's a glorious day for it. And yeah. Hope you enjoy it. Right, catch you on the next Biker's Travelog whenever that is. Cheers now. Ta-da.